How to naturally cleanse your kidneys at home fast. The kidneys are organs that help the body process about 200 liters of blood each day, removing excess water and waste products, eliminating toxins, and keeping the body functioning well. If the kidneys are weak, they cannot remove toxins and waste from the body, which will accumulate and hinder the normal functioning of the kidneys, liver, and other organs, leading to exhaustion, stomach pain, headaches, water retention, and other issues. Watch to the end of the video to understand more about how to naturally cleanse your kidneys at home to make them healthy again, bringing you absolute health for a long time. If you are satisfied with what the video provides, please rate the content of the video so we can improve and bring the community more useful videos. 1. How to naturally cleanse your kidneys at home for healthy kidneys. The kidneys are two small organs located on either side of the spine, under your ribs. Healthy kidneys play a crucial role in removing excess waste, balancing electrolytes, producing hormones. The human adult body consists of about 60% water, and every organ, from the brain to the liver, requires water to function. As your body's filtration system, the kidneys need water to produce urine. Urine is the primary waste product that allows the body to get rid of unwanted or unnecessary substances. When water intake is low, urine output is low. Low urine output can lead to kidney function disorders, such as the formation of kidney stones. It's important to drink enough water so the kidneys can efficiently excrete all excess waste. This is especially crucial in your kidney cleansing process. In the absence of disease, a balanced diet and sufficient water intake are usually enough to keep your kidneys healthy. However, certain types of foods, herbs, and supplements may help support strong kidneys. From your morning glass of water to your cup of herbal tea, here are 4 ways to cleanse your kidneys, keep them healthy, and ensure they function strongly. Some types of kidney-supporting foods include grapes, peanuts, and some berries contain a beneficial compound known as resveratrol. In an animal study, researchers found that treatment with resveratrol could reduce kidney inflammation in mice with polycystic kidney disease. A small handful of red grapes make a great afternoon snack, and they are even tastier when frozen. Cranberries are often praised for their bladder health benefits. A reliable clinical trial published in the Journal of Nutrition demonstrated that women consuming sweetened, dried cranberries daily for 2 weeks reduced the rate of urinary tract infections. Dried cranberries are a tasty sweet addition to trail mixes, salads, or even oatmeal. Juices high in citric acid or citrate, lemon, orange, and watermelon juice all contain citric acid or citrate. Citrate helps prevent the formation of kidney stones by binding with calcium in urine. This inhibits the growth of calcium crystals, which can lead to kidney stones. Additionally, drinking a glass of fresh fruit juice daily can contribute to your recommended daily fluid intake. Seaweed, besides being beneficial for the kidneys, is also good for the pancreas and liver. In a 2014 animal trial, mice fed edible seaweed for 22 days showed reduced kidney and liver damage due to diabetes. Calcium-rich foods. Many believe avoiding calcium can help prevent kidney stones. In fact, the opposite is true. Too much oxalate in urine can lead to kidney stones. Calcium is necessary to bind with oxalate, reducing its absorption and excretion. You can meet the daily recommended calcium intake of 1.2 grams by consuming calcium-rich foods such as soy or almond milk, tofu, cereals. Some nutritional supplements include vitamin B6, omega-3, potassium nitrate. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is an important cofactor in many metabolic reactions. B6 is essential for the metabolism of glyoxylate, which can turn into oxalate instead of glycine if B6 is lacking. As mentioned above, too much oxalate can lead to kidney stones. Supplement with a daily B-complex vitamin providing at least 50 mg of B6. According to the Food and Nutrition Board, FNB, adults should not consume more than 100 mg of vitamin B6 per day, unless they are taking this vitamin as part of a medical treatment under the supervision of a healthcare provider. Omega-3. The standard Western diet often contains high amounts of inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids and low amounts of beneficial omega-3 fatty acids. Reliable research indicates that high levels of omega-6 fatty acids can lead to the formation of kidney stones. Increasing omega-3 may naturally reduce the metabolism of omega-6, with the best absorption ratio being 1:1. Docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and icosapentaenoic acid, EPA, are two of the most important omega-3 fatty acids. Supplement with high-quality fish oil daily containing 1.2 grams of both EPA and DHA. Potassium nitrate. Potassium is an essential element for electrolyte balance and urinary pH balance. Treatment with potassium citrate can help reduce kidney stone formation, especially in individuals with recurrent episodes. For those with a history of other kidney issues, it's important to talk to a doctor before supplementing with potassium. Supplement with a daily multivitamin or multi-mineral that contains potassium. 2. 8 easy ways to cleanse your kidneys. Method 1. Apple cider vinegar is effective in preventing the oxidation process of the kidneys. It increases the antioxidant levels in the body, balances blood sugar, and reduces blood pressure, creating optimal conditions for kidney health. Apple cider vinegar contains citric acid which dissolves kidney stones. Regular consumption of apple cider vinegar also helps detoxify the kidneys. Method 2. Red beans not only nourish the kidneys but also help remove waste, toxins in the kidneys, and effectively expel kidney stones. Red beans are rich in vitamin B, fiber, and several minerals that cleanse the kidneys and enhance the function of the urinary tract. Method 3. Lemon water has natural acidity and increases citrate concentration in the urine, thereby discouraging kidney stone formation. Lemon water also filters the blood and removes waste and other toxins. Drinking diluted lemon water daily slows down the formation of kidney stones and dissolves calcium oxalate crystals, which are the most common components of kidney stones. For those with kidney stones, combining lemon with olive oil ensures smooth stone passage. Method 4. Watermelon is a mild diuretic. It hydrates and cleanses the kidneys. It's also rich in lycopene, which helps improve cardiovascular health and ensures good kidney function. Watermelon contains a large amount of potassium salt which regulates urine acidity and prevents stone formation. In fact, regular consumption of watermelon is very beneficial for kidney health. Method 5. Both pomegranate juice and seeds are rich in potassium and thus effective in eliminating kidney stones. Potassium reduces urine acidity, preventing stone formation due to its astringent properties, inhibiting the crystallization of minerals, and expelling toxins and waste from the kidneys. Method 6. Basil is an effective diuretic. It removes kidney stones and improves kidney function. Basil also reduces uric acid levels in the blood and improves kidney health. Its components like essential oils and acetic acid break down kidney stones and allow for smooth elimination. Basil is also a pain reliever. Method 7. Soaking dates in water for 24 hours and then using them after removing the seeds helps dissolve and expel kidney stones. Dates are very rich in fiber, reducing the risk of kidney stones. The magnesium content in dates also helps cleanse the kidneys. Method 8. Drinking tea made from dried dandelion leaves or fresh dandelion root, pulled from the ground, helps cleanse the kidneys. Dandelion is a kidney tonic, helping the kidneys stay healthy, but also stimulates bile production to improve digestion and minimize waste to the kidneys. Cleansing your kidneys at home helps you avoid doctor visits while still taking care of your health. Summing up these kidney cleansing methods to help you have healthy kidneys, which in turn makes the whole body healthier and more comfortable. To follow more videos serving health improvement, follow the channel to be notified of the latest useful information from the channel.